guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. There is no limit to imagination and innovation when it comes to every aspect of manufacturing. What may be the extent to which brands make unforeseen things? Can a normal citizen use these things? Will these things blow your mind? Let's have a look into the compilation of the 9 unexpected things made by famous brands you have to see. Number 9. Harley-Davidson Serial 1 e-bicycle. It's been almost a year since we last learned about the groundbreaking electric bike venture at Harley-Davidson, but it might have been completely worth the journey depending on what the business is revealing currently. A spectacular new electric bike has been unveiled by Harley-Davidson, which it says will go on the market in March 2021. And the maker of motorcycles is now branching out its e-bike business as a separate company called Serial 1 e-bicycle. Harley-Davidson wouldn't include any specifications, so we can only estimate capacity, battery size, scope, and market values. Serial 1 has a mid-range engine, a chain drive system, conceivably a lengthy Gates carbon system, a screening battery, frame-integrated illumination and taillights, and leather accessories, all centered around the images. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz Yacht Aero 460. The Mercedes-Benz style's Aero 460 Gran Turismo premium sailing yacht set sail on its cruise liner off the coastline of Nice. The first representation of this modern yacht model is called Mercedes, and a brand unique boat design is based on the heritage of the brand. The Silver Arrow of the Seas, 14-meter long, 706 kilowatt, 960 horsepower, blends the efficiency of Mercedes-Benz luxury vehicles with exclusive vessel business technologies. The yacht has iconic automotive dimensions that, in extremely emotional and significant growth, carry the signature Mercedes model adjective of expressive perfection to the sea. Its hybrid architecture provides the pinnacle in flexibility, culminating in a vessel that's simultaneously ideal for day trips and remains onshore throughout the entire night time.
Use something always you can look at because gives the feeling of freedom.
Number 7. Kawasaki K-Racer. The fact that Kawasaki is much more than a motorcycle corporation is worth remembering. Though its notoriously mad motorcycles are probably the most obvious manifestation of the company outside Japan, Kawasaki Heavy Industries is a 124-year-old industrial phoenix that last year hauled in revenues of $15 billion. Of that, just $3.2 billion came from the production of motorcycles and engines. Standard helicopters are limited in acceleration in the sky by their very design. Each moment, a top rotor blade goes around in a loop, one on one side of the aircraft. It occupies half of its time moving forward into the approaching air and backward with the impending air on the other. If the forward speed increases, the added airflow on the forward side gives considerably more boost to that portion of the rotating blades. Number 6. Toyota THR-3. The THR-3, a brand new generation humanoid robot, has been revealed by Toyota. It's 1.5 meters tall, weighs 75 kilograms, and has 32 degrees of freedom regulated by torque, plus a pair of 10 hands with fingers. It demonstrates to be very competent at first impression, with exemplary strength and flexibility. Built and engineered by Toyota's partner Robot Group, Toyota's newest robotics initiative will investigate technological advances for the safe management of interactions between robots and their environment, as well as a navigation system positioning device that reflects user gestures to the robot. THR-3 reflects an advance from past generations of humanoid device robots built to test the accurate measurements of limbs and pre-programmed movements. THR-3 represents the complex discovery by Toyota on how emerging technology can better meet the particular requirements of communities for movement. Number 5. Honda Jet Elite. The Honda Jet Elite acquired the aerospace advancements of Honda Aircraft including the specifications of the over-the-wing engine mount, reinforced fuel tank, and fuel tank nozzle and wing natural laminar flow NLF. Honda Aircraft has further improved other aerodynamic developments in parallel to these advances, allowing the aircraft to fly higher with less excessive noise. For exquisite luxury and facilities, Honda Jet Elite clients would never have to compromise passenger space. When designing the world's leading, very lightweight jet, no element was ignored. The spacious cabin of the Honda Jet Elite has a private latrine, massive galley, two-toned leather executive seats, and Wi-Fi as well. With the installation of a draped bathroom, the aircraft retains its capacity of up to 7 passengers. Number 4. Nissan Pro Pilot Chair. The newest in a sequence of developments intended to lead the advantages of its intelligence mobility framework to customers' everyday lives was unveiled today by Nissan. Following the popularity of the intelligent parking chair previously, on account of its passenger, the newly created Pro Pilot Chair negotiates queues, eliminating the inconvenience of waiting in a queue. The Pro Pilot Chair, identified after the company's best-selling automotive, senses and guides the chair forward of it independently, preserving a specified distance and proceeding along a predetermined course. This closely parallels how cars use the Pro Pilot system. It keeps a safe distance ahead of the vehicle and guarantees that the vehicle remains in the middle. Number 3. Lexus LY650. Lexus is renowned for its high-end vehicles, but now the luxury car company has taken its first step into the yacht market. On Thursday in Boca Raton, Florida, the company conducted the grand opening of its signature luxury yacht, the 65 19 meters Lexus LY650. For the 2 captain chairs and the couches, the furniture has the brand's signature leather covering in cream. The hull of the yacht, built with Marquis Yachts, based in Wisconsin, incorporates carbon fiber reinforced polymer and fiber reinforced glass material to keep it sleek and fast, promising up to 31.4 knots. There are other enhancements offered in conjunction with the 2 exclusive two-tone color scheme, along with a custom Mark Levinson surround sound system to build an immersive concert hall-like acoustic room in the salon. Number 2. Volkswagen Currywurst. You'll be shocked to learn that Volkswagen's 199398500 following code is not designed for your automobile, but for the hard-working manufacturing assistants working on your product line Volkswagen car. It's not mechanical, man-made, or anything like what you'd hear from a giant car maker. In the car manufacturer's very own ketchup, it comes marinated, typically with a side of chips. It's a bag of Volkswagen Currywurst, a sausage called the world's most famous and most prominently named in the new Discovery Channel show Big by Richard Hammond, in which possibly the best host looks at some of the world's largest services and infrastructure and just what went into their maintenance.
Like the car factory, the sausages are made on a production line, which Dietmar wants me to join.
Number 1. Toyota Home. Toyota's housing company has started, expanding the Toyota company's deep desire to supply better homes for families in Japan. Embodying Kiichiro Toyoda's teachings, the company aspires to continue providing housing to fulfill each client's desires, broadening the circle of genuinely happy clients with ever-growing stable lives. In reaction to the rising popularity of net zero houses, the company is applying innovative systems that fit the standard criteria of net zero energy houses, ZEI, terminal insulation, coupled with the provision of well-designed and elevated residences. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, while also hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel to catch up on more awesome videos like this in the future. And with that, I'll be catching you guys later in another video. Bye now.